Welcome back to the Daily Dough. Today we're going to look at all of the dividend income I received for the month of June 2025. So let's break it down. Also, if you enjoy monthly portfolio updates like this and you want to follow along, consider subscribing to the channel. Kicking off the month, Cummins paid me $2.76. ExxonMobil paid me $2.78. Realty Income paid me $2.07. VYM's High Dividend Yield ETF paid me $6.63. Saratoga Investment Corp paid me $5.13. Gilead Sciences paid me $4.59. Coming in at the biggest payment, SCHD paid me $117.10. Now SCHG paid me $13.08. And then Ares Capital Corporation paid me $12.54, bringing the total dividend income for June to $166.68. Now June's SCHD payment of $117.10 was the biggest payment I've received so far. And it's been cool to watch that number grow quarter by quarter. To keep that momentum going, I used all of the dividend income from June plus a bit of idle cash that I had sitting in the account to buy 6.6 more shares of SCHD. Now at SCHD's most recent distribution of 26 cents per share, that adds about $1.71 to my next payout. And I know that does not sound like much money, but that's how the snowball starts. Dividends buy more shares, which lead to bigger dividends, which buy even more shares. It's a slow build at first, but then the compounding effect makes the snowball just get bigger and bigger, faster and faster. But let me know how your portfolio did in June down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.